What's going on, everybody? This is Island Hopper TV coming to you from Idaho Falls. I'm actually right in front of those falls right there. They're man-made falls right along the Snake River here. So that's what we're going to do, is we're going to walk around the Idaho Falls area. You can see there's the temple. We're going to go to the downtown area, show you guys what's going on here. This is a hydroelectric plant or project right along the Snake River. Believe it or not, Idaho Falls actually ranks among one of the top cities in the country, along with Boise, for living quality and standard of life. Boise, Idaho, and Idaho Falls, between affordability, quality of life, and all that jazz, it's here in Idaho and right here in Idaho Falls. So let's go ahead and get started. If you're excited about this video, crush up the likes. Let's do this. All right, so here I am on Capitol Avenue. Now I'm going to head down here to where the downtown area is, the shopping and whatnot. And I'm going to give you some information about Idaho Falls. So the population of the Idaho Falls city is about 60 to 70,000 people. But if you include some of the other towns and cities in the metro area, it's around about 130,000 thereabouts. The LDS temple that's here was the first one built in Idaho. From here, if you wanted to drive to Jackson, Wyoming and Yellowstone, there's two ways to get to Yellowstone, but if you wanted to get to Jackson, it takes about 2 hours. You can go into the west entrance of Yellowstone from here, and it'd take about an hour and a half. If you go north of here into Eastern Idaho, you would go to Bozeman, Montana, which is quite a popular place from what I understand. So anyway, I'm going to keep walking down here as we go towards downtown, and let's keep this thing moving. So now we're coming up onto probably the city center of it all. Right there you could see Campbell's Hotel Rogers. And this corner here is Park Avenue. So here it is. This is really kind of the center of it all. So you've got B Street, Park Avenue. I would say B Street and Park Avenue is kind of where it all begins, but if we go this way, you can see there's some more activity. I was told that even this next street up here is kind of a downtown city area too. So I'll pick up over there. So now we're on B Street and Shoup Avenue. See an old radio tower, and even there's Union Pacific Railroad. You can see the train. You can at least hear it. So here's Wee-Bee Toy Store. Still got toy stores out here in Idaho Falls, and it's open. Look at that little Lego. I forget what they call those. I've seen them before, but a real toy store. We don't make those anymore. Idaho Mountain Trading. And then if I keep going this way, that'll take me to the Idaho, I think it's the Idaho State Museum, which, to be completely honest with you, sounds really cool. Would love to learn more about the state of Idaho, especially given the circumstance that it is considered some of the best standard of living in all of America right now. So to me, that makes it very interesting. Little bank building, what do they got here? Health resources. You know, along that river, which I'm going to show you later in this video, is actually a really nice green belt. So if you just walk that green belt up and down the Snake River, it's a really nice walk. I just showed you around the waterfall, but if you actually walk that green belt, it's pretty nice. Hopefully I'll be able to get over there here soon and show you that. Let's see about this museum though. I'd really like to get some history about Idaho if I can. Being that today's Thursday, it may only be open on the weekends, I don't know. Hey, they got pho, Vietnamese cuisine. So they got some diversity out here. I did just have some lunch. It's Thai cuisine. Where I had, I think it was Sinaloa cuisine. So I had some Mexican food. Jalisco, that's right. Called Jalisco's. It was pretty good. Like, it was legit Mexican food called Jalisco. So if you're looking for a Mexican restaurant, check that one out. Alright. See, where's this museum? That looks like it could be a museum or a bank. Ah. The Arterium. It says Yellowstone, Jackson, Blackfoot, Pocatello. So where's this museum here? There's the Museum of Idaho. Alright, so I went to the Museum of Idaho, and it's currently closed for renovations, but there it is. So I just wanted the history of Idaho. That's the museum. Hopefully you guys can go there. Okay, so yeah, that museum was closed, unfortunately, which was not ideal, but anyway, we're headed back towards the falls area. I'm gonna maybe go down towards the LDS temple, see if I can get a good look at that. Nice little water tower. I would say the downtown area is very dated, especially being that this place is about to emerge due to the publicity it's getting as being such a great quality of life. It's just a matter of time before the gentrification of that downtown area happens, because many of the cities across America, it seemed like they hadn't modernized since the 50s, 60s, 70s. You saw that in Denver, you saw that in Phoenix, Salt Lake City, and this one here, very dated downtown. And it's not like dated in a historical way where it's like, oh wow, this is a very cute downtown. Go ahead. You gonna turn? She was gonna let me go, but I decided to let her go. Like, this is nice. You know, they got a modern place like this, but being that Idaho Falls is getting so much publicity as a place to go, it's just a matter of time. We got some modern hotels though. We got a lot of nice hotels. So the historical site along the Snake River, let's go check that out. So we head over this way on this side of the green belt. We got the Bank of Idaho down here. It's at least modern. Broadway. Still a nice place, just even though the downtown area is dated. On the historical site, this waterfall. Here's the top of the waterfall. You can see it's like this pool, and the water just falls over the side there. Just to kind of clarify my comment about the historical downtown area of Idaho Falls, it's nice. It's an old town. There's just nothing separates it from another old town, right? It's just some buildings. I mean, someone in the comments will probably say, well, back in the 1800s and 1900s, this and that happened, which will make it more interesting, obviously. But this is a Snake River fur trader. Lots of fur traders were out here. But the thing I really like about Idaho Falls that most cities don't have is the Idaho Falls, these falls. I mean, it is cool. Like, that is such a unique, you don't see that anywhere else, and it's part of the natural system. So this is really cool. I think they built it up, and then it just goes back down into the gully. That's pretty cool. What a beautiful river the Snake River is. Jeez, tremendous river. And you can see, I mean, it's beautiful on all sides of the river here. There's a raven. I don't think that's the same raven they have up in the Yellowstone. They have some big looking raven birds. I don't even know what they are, if they're crows or ravens. Here's this is that greenbelt I was telling you about. It's on both sides. Both sides are equally as beautiful in terms of walking it. There's a trail. Is this the historic site of the war monument here? So you have, in honor of all veterans. Hey, I'm a veteran myself, so that was cool. I was in the Navy. This is Vietnam, Korea, World War I, World War II. I was in OIF and OEF, which I would say these two wars right here were definitely big wars. Vietnam was a atrocious war for Americans who came home, and Korea was a pretty big war. So, I mean, war is just never pretty, is it? But here you go, look at that. Alright, so there's the LDS temple, and there's a look down river there. No boating, no swimming beyond this point right here. So you can't even get close to the actual falls, which I assume is just this line here. No, that's the no-go zone. My overall review of this place is it's nice. I can see why it's a nice place to live. As far as visiting, it's probably great if you have family or if you're coming here for some sort of event. There's the hotels. That side has the better food, in my opinion, and just kind of a better side to walk, the greenbelt. But the cool thing is you get to go along both sides of the river here. So that's going to conclude this episode of Island Hopper TV from Idaho Falls, Idaho. If you guys enjoyed this video, crush up the likes, drop a comment below letting me know where you think I should go next, and we'll see you guys on the next one.